Hello. I promise this is my last talk for today. So this one is about reworking copy paste. I will mostly focus on the paste side so that you actually hear something in 5 minutes. And probably this is a dialogue that you already saw in the past. When you want to paste some content to Collabora Online, and you don't use the keyboard but press the matching button in the notebook bar, then you get this dialog because we were using browser APIs from several years ago to make sure that we are compatible with iOS 11, which was a good idea back then, but perhaps it's not that important today. So we should probably use some newer clipboard APIs available in Chrome and Safari and kind of conditionally and Firefox, and perhaps we can do better. So this is a wonderful butterfly demoing image paste for calc. So this is the new clipboard API demoed in Chrome, where you get a pop-up on the right top right corner, and in case you allow the Collabora Online to read from your system clipboard, which is very dangerous, and probably you don't want to do that, especially if your workflow is that your password manager is putting your password to the clipboard, so you can easily paste that. So you actually read what you are agreeing to, but probably for Collabora Online, that's something you want to allow, and then you can paste from the system clipboard to Collabora Online in a way that means that you can use both the toolbar button and you can use your clipboard, and they do the same thing, and you don't really need to think about which method you want to use. It also works with a paste special, which was especially confusing. You press the space special button because you never remember what's the additional thing you need to press for Control-V to hit this paste special and not the normal paste, but then a pop-up appears where you try to find out what the 3 different buttons mean, apart from I want to escape from this thing. I don't understand what's that. So this is meant to be like quite close to what you are used to with Collabora Office on the desktop. And once that's done, then something related is that copy pasting in calc is not really nice if you go via HTML, but HTML is what you use if, for example, you copy paste between Collabora Online and Google Sheets. So the Google guys came up with some markup on what additional metadata to put in HTML so that you can also express the actual formula value and the formula cell value, and also the formulae and the number formatting and stuff like this. So we try to do that. So what you see there is formatted numbers, and you can copy that over, and still you can do a sum of that because we also understand what's the underlying float value, which was originally lost. Additional problem is that in case your integration and Collabora Online itself is coming from different domains, which is perfectly normal, then Chrome says that this is a cross-origin iframe, which is usually used by people who you should avoid. So this is a potential security risk. We documented in the SDK how to opt in for this behavior so that users will get working paste. And even in this case. The last thing I would like to show off is in Writer, in case you have some simple bullet points in online. And then we had working HTML copying, but if you paste that, then, for example, to some plain text email, like we hackers like plain text email, then on the left-hand side, you can see the old paste result, which is like readable, but you lost the actual bullet points. And on the right-hand side, you can see the new result. We explicitly ask our code to produce the plain text version, and that's just much better. And that's it. The paste part is kind of done. For the copy part, we plan to do something similar, like it will be much better, but that's not fully finished yet. So it's in progress. Thanks.